Hey V's, welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make spaghetti squash pizza. But before we get this video started, please be sure to subscribe to my channel down below by hitting that subscribe button and also hitting the notification bell right next to it to be notified every time I post a new video. Also, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Now let's get this video started. So we just took out the spaghetti squash from the oven and we just roasted it for 45 minutes to an hour at 425 degrees. So you only need half a spaghetti squash to make one pizza crust, but we have 2 whole spaghetti squashes here, or 4 halves, which means this can make 4 pizza crusts. The first thing you want to do to make the crust is separate your egg whites from your egg yolks. Put a yolk into your egg white. That's okay too, because you can just use a whole egg if you want. So you need 1 cup of spaghetti squash and 2 tablespoons of egg white. So now we're adding in a 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese into our spaghetti squash and egg white mixture. Combine. So now taking the spaghetti squash mixture and putting it onto our sprayed parchment paper and flattening it out into a circle. We're going to put this into the oven for 25 minutes at 400 degrees. We just took the pizza crust out of the oven, and now we're going to flip it over and put it back into the oven for another 10 minutes. So we just took our crust out of the oven, and now you can top it with whatever toppings you'd like. I'm going to put some mozzarella cheese and some turkey pepperoni onto mine. Back into the oven so we can get the top of it melted. You can put it in for about 10 minutes, but you should just watch it to make sure it doesn't burn.